Hey everyone, whether you're a beginner driver or already experienced behind the wheel, today we've got a really interesting and useful driving scenario for you. We're going to break it down step by step in simple, easy to understand terms, so make sure to stay till the end. Before we reveal the answer, drop your choice in the comments so you can check if you got it right. All right, let's get started. Who must yield in this situation? Choose the correct answer. The driver of the black car. B, the tractor driver. So here's what we see. We have an intersection where two vehicles arrive at the same time. The tractor is making a left turn with its turn signal on, while the black car is continuing straight. At first glance, this might seem super simple, right? No traffic lights, no road signs, and both roads appear to have the same surface, which means this is most likely an uncontrolled intersection of equal roads. But here's where things get interesting. If you check discussions online, you'll see a lot of people claiming that the tractor is actually on a minor road. Their reasoning? The road joins at an angle. There's no road marking on the tractor's side. Sounds convincing, but is it actually correct? Let's clear this up once and for all. According to traffic rules, a main road is defined only by road signs or a paved road compared to an unpaved one. The angle of the road? Doesn't matter. Road markings? Also irrelevant. So in reality, we are dealing with a standard uncontrolled intersection of equal roads. And that means only one rule applies here. Yield to the vehicle on your right. In this case, the tractor is on the right side of the black car, which makes it the vehicle with priority. So the correct answer is, the driver of the black car must yield. If you got it right, nice job. If not, don't worry. That's exactly why we practice. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more useful driving scenarios. We've got plenty more coming your way. Stay safe, drive smart, and see you in the next one.